So I have picked some of the yucca flowers in my yard, and I am going to be placing them in the refrigerator in some water to remove the saponins, which are the same compounds that are used in soap and can cause some irritation. So this is the best way to prepare them so that they will be as tasty as possible. And now to place them into the refrigerator for 12 hours so that they can remove the saponins and then be cooked. So I am here in Gifford Pinchot National Forest, and we have a fire here at our campsite. Thankfully, we have somehow managed to make it to a campsite before fire restrictions made it to where we can't have a fire. So we will be cooking the yucca flowers from earlier in a cast iron. Okay, cool. So I'm going to take the yucca flowers that I have soaked to remove the saponin and place them into our pot. After I've added some oil and the pot has gotten hot. All right, close it. Get in the smoke here. All right, so I'm just sauteing the flowers over the fire. Starting to sizzle. All right, ready? So now I'm gonna add some garlic because I'm Southern and everything we do is with garlic. All right. So this is green onions from my garden. Alright. Okay, so I'm going to add some Tony Chachere's. This is the only Cajun seasoning, Creole seasoning that you should ever get. Tony Chachere's, you should sponsor us. Alright. So now I have finished cooking the delicious yucca flowers, and I have some rice and vegan sausage, and I am going to enjoy it here in the Gifford Pinchot National Forest. So yeah, bon appetit.